If you are doing a faceless channel, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to create full animated stories for free. Using ChatGPT images and free tools. Of course, you do not need any animation skills or even expensive phones. No, you can do this with just your Android phone. And right now, let's dive straight into the video. Now, let's start with the video ideas.
You need real ideas to generate your animated videos. But even if you don't have any,
let me show you how to get your script and also how to organize your ideas.
Alright, so right now, let's go to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT right here. And over here, I have an idea of a young man and let me say a widower and his son. He's 3-year-old. They want to travel to, let me say, somewhere. All right. So right now, I just have the idea. So how do we bring it down? How do we organize it into steps so we can be able to get them animated and talking? All right. So I'll just use the voice note right here. All right. So I want to create an animation video. I want you to give me the prompts, organize the ideas into prompts. All right. So I can be able to use them and get images for my videos. Now this is how the idea should be. This is the idea. This is a man and his 3-year-old. The 3-year-old daughter, she should plait her hair. There should be Nigerians. So this is me explaining everything to ChatGPT. I am done right now, and I said a whole lot of things. The thing about prompting is just say your mind, everything in your mind. This is what I've been trying to explain to ChatGPT. Actually, not him. Right, the daughter and the father. Right, so I told it how it should be. This is it right here. And if you are still finding it difficult to make prompts, I already have my AI content starter kit where I gave you everything you need for AI prompts. All right. So all you need to do is to check the description box below to get the kit so you can be able to master prompting. All right. So with this right now, it has split everything into each scenes. My ideas are now organized into scripts and prompts. So now let's move on to the next step.
Now that the story and the ideas are set, the next step is turning them into images. And of course, we'll be using ChatGPT.
Let's dive in. So right now, let's use ChatGPT to generate these images. I'll first go through these prompts. Now we can generate the images. Please go through it. And anyway, we can do adjustments. So all I need to do is to go to the first scene. How many scenes? 7. Okay, 7 scenes. I would love this video to be not too long and not so short. So let me copy this. I'll click here, go to images right here and paste the prompt. What again I would love to add to it? Okay, it's in 16:9 aspect ratio and I want it to be in a cartoon. Okay, it added 3D pixel style animation. All right, let's see how it will look. Okay, so image has been successfully generated in blah blah blah. ChatGPT is really doing well every single day and that is impressive. Let's see the image. Oh, this is beautiful. This is good. This is good. This is good. Okay, so let's go over. This is how I will generate all the images, and once done, we can now continue. All right, these are all the images generated. I've generated everything, and right now let's move over to the next step. And before we do so, please note that even if you do not want to use ChatGPT to generate your images, all right, you can use so many other free tools and also paid ones. You can just pay for one and use it consistently. All right. And I have made a full video on different softwares that are very easy to use and generate AI images. All right, so and these images, I tested them in that particular video, so you'll see how good the images looks, the one that you love the most, and you can be able to subscribe or use the free ones. I talked about the subscriptions and some of the things as well. All right, so check the description box. I'll leave the link to the video in the description box and as well in the comments section. And with this right here, these images are very good, and let's go over to making these images to talk and move very well. Guess the app we're gonna be using to do these things.
Now it's time to turn these images into actual videos, and not just videos, talking videos.
So the app we're gonna be using to animate and make our images talk is right here. And guess what? You didn't guess right. Something in me tells me that you didn't guess this app correctly. Am I right? Let me know in the comments if you guessed right. We will be using GROK. And the good thing is, GROK just updated their app or their software and added something very good, which right now they are competing with ChatGPT. Let me show you something. Right now they said try GROK for free, which means right now you can be able to use GROK just like ChatGPT. But this is the monthly subscription. You're gonna use it for 7 days, and I don't know what to think. ChatGPT and this, which one do you? Anyway, you can try it and you can use it now for your conversations. Just like ChatGPT, prompt your videos and everything. Or instead of going to ChatGPT, they want you to do everything right here. So if you do this, you use the longer conversations and the rest of it. They say you should try for 7 days, and not just that. You can as well use voice note right here. You no longer need to speak, all right? You no longer need to type all the time or copy and paste. No, right now you can speak. Just like ChatGPT now, you can use this voice note right here or click on speak and say whatever that you want. I don't know. I don't want to say this is anything. Just let me know in the comments. Will you be using this GROK chat box, or you still prefer ChatGPT? And do you think with this right now, it's gonna take away ChatGPT? Do you think many people will be here and use this more and abandon ChatGPT? I don't know, but let's create our video, all right? So once you come here, you'll see this try super GROK free. You see everything right here. First of all, click on Imagine, right? Then you come over here. By default, it will be on image. Just put it to video, all right? Because we are here to animate, all right? Bring in your video, all right? So this right here will animate. Once you bring your image into GROK, GROK AI, it will start animating it. And once it's done, you see that, okay, this is done. GROK AI have animated my video. If you do not want what it gave you, you don't need to do anything. Just click here and paste your prompt, which I will show you how to do that right now. All right. And also you can just download this one and still go ahead with what you want. You can just use it to complete your video, or do with it whatever you want, or just ignore it. And if you don't want the sound, listen, because most persons always tell me that after animating my videos and making it talk, I cannot hear what he's saying. It goes mute automatically. This is it. If you turn this volume off right here, if you click on this volume and mute it, when you download it, it will have that mute. It will be mute. It will not be talking. There will be no sound. So if you want to download it with sound, leave the sound on. You can just lower the volume from your phone, all right? Just lower it a bit, and not so that it won't have sound. Be mindful of this volume right here. If you want it to have sound, leave the volume on. If you want it not to have sound, turn it off and download. So this is how and what makes it to have sound and not to have sound. Not that it will give it voice and sound by default. If you want it to say something like good morning, I will be the one to show you how to do that now. But if not, you don't want the sound, you just want it to be moving, maybe you are creating kids stuff, then you can be able to animate it without sound and download it. All right, so to download it, click here and it will download into your phone. It will download into your gallery. From there you can post it, and yes, you can post this in any social media platform. It is your own. I am the one that generated this image. I am the one that had everything here, so there won't be any copyright, there won't be any issue. All right, for you that is wondering and asking, can I post? You can post it and monetize it, okay? But I will always advise that if you are narrating a story, that you use your voice, okay? Use your voice to narrate the story. Maybe this girl was going to this place use your voice as the voiceover. Yes, but you can monetize it. Yes. All right, so let's see how this is. Oh my god. This is too much, and this is actually not what I wanted it to say or do. All right, so I'll just take some part where she was brushing her teeth. That is fine without pouring everything out. Now I have downloaded, I'll impute the next one. Let me bring in this one where she's walking to the bathroom and also animate it and make it talk. Once I'm done animating this right now, I'll show you how to make it talk using GROK AI. All right, so let's wait for it to animate. Okay, so this is done. Now let me download and let's make it talk. Right, I want where her dad came in. Okay, so right now where her dad came in, I want it to animate. Then while waiting for it, we will go over to ChatGPT and tell it what we want in GROK so it can be able to make it talk. If you need this prompt, of course I'll be trying different things to get exactly what I want. I want her father to tell her to stop playing and dress up for them to go out. All right, so I will simply play around with different ideas and get the perfect prompt for this my scene. If you need it, simply comment prompt. If I get more comments, I will package it I will package all the prompts for that I use to generate the image. If I get more comments about this, that will show me that you need it. Then I'll have to take my time, organize all the prompts that I used to generate these images, and as well that I will also use now to get the images to talk. I'll package them in the Google Doc and then send it on my channel. I will do that as a post or send it to you. All right, depends on who needs it. Just comment prompt and I'll take my time and do that. But if I did not get enough comments, that means you people are not interested. All right, so I won't bother myself doing that. All right, so this is our prompt right here. I've been able to play with this and get the right prompt. So right now, let me copy and go back to GROK. Of course, it is done, and let's see what it.
Daddy, look!
Oh wow! I will download this because it's actually.
Hey there, princess. What are you playing?
I'm playing with my.
This is actually fun and creative, but that is not what I wanted.
Baby!
I want the father to talk. All right, so I'll just download this. Maybe I'll just. I don't know, but I don't know what I will do with it, but. Let me use this one because I want the father to tell her to dress up. This scene is about her dressing up, brushing her teeth, and them eating and the rest of it. All right. Of course, for this particular video right here, you can always use your voice over. You can still make them to talk. All right. So anyone that you want, feel free to explore animation videos. It is very good, monetizable, and less stressful. All right, it doesn't stress you out. So let's see what it generated.
Ah, my little ones. Playing but no tidying?
Daddy, we're making a big castle!
All right, let's build, but tidy after promise. Ah, my little ones. Playing but no tidying?
Daddy, we're.
No, this is not what I wanted. This is not the prompt. I want him to say, hey madam, are you still playing? Come on, dress up, let's go out. All right, that is what I want the father to say. Standing by the door, standing at the door and not coming in. All right, so I just got this prompt right here. I'll just copy this one, delete it and paste the new one, then send. Let's wait for it to generate and see what it can be able to do. All right, so it's done animating right now. Let's see how it did.
Hey, madam, are you still playing? Oh yeah, now dress up. Let's go out.
Oh, this is fine. This
Hey,
is
madam.
good. I love the expression. And
Are you still playing? Oh yeah, now dress up. Let's go out.
I love how gentle and the father was, and also the Nigerian voice. The child was just like somebody they are talking to, reacting to the question that he is asking her. So I will download this and go ahead to animate and make the rest of it talk. So all you need to do is to copy the prompt and paste in your GROK. You can tweak it now if it's a Nigerian voice, if it's an American voice, if it's any voice of your choice. All right, so any tone of your choice. All right, just copy my prompt and tweak it and get whatever you want. If you want her to wear anything else, change the prompt, and you can and also get my prompt guide. That is my AI content starter key, so you can master how to prompt and everything about AI prompting. Okay, so I have generated all the videos I'll be needing for these things. I have gotten everything. The videos are set, and now let's watch the video. Let's see if GROK did amazing. And also I tried infusing a bit of broken, that is pidgin English, into this to see how well GROK will interpret it or will lip sync this. And so now watch the video and let me know what to think. Rate this video from 1 to 10. How good is it? And the story as well. So rate the video, the lip sync, and the story from 1 to 10. I'll be in the comment section. Please don't rate it 1. Oh.
Hey, madam, are you still playing? Oh yeah, now dress up. Let's go out.
I did it! Daddy, where are you? I am done!
That's my good girl. This is delicious. How's yours, sweetie?
It's yummy, Daddy. Can I have more juice?
Of course.
Daddy, I like you so much. Daddy, I love you so much.
I love you so much too, my princess.
Daddy, how did you even born me?
What kind of question is that? This girl, where did they get these questions from?
If you have learned something new, consider subscribing to this channel. Now you have just learned how to create full animated stories using just free tools, and I know you would love to see me in my next video. Check out this video right here. YouTube knows that you will need this video. That is why they recommended it for you. And also subscribe to this channel and like this video. I am Success and I wish you success. I'll see you soon. Bye.